for question, which is the topic about time. So, okay, so when we talk about time, so we need to be on time in every kind of situation. Do you always try to be on time for meetings and appointments?
Of course, yes, I do because when I become when I am become a disciplined person, that's mean I care about what the appointment and about the and also care about the time and the people in the meeting. That's mean I don't want them to wait for me when I late. That's not good because when they when they that's not good because that will they will represent me as a not good behavior. Saya jadi lupa yang tadi saya omongin.
Ya kan, jadi lo makanya dia kan.
Iya.
So, because careless is a
Oh,
good
because
behavior.
Cara is not good behavior. I want them to represent me to a person that always on time and good time management.
Okay. Okay, so what about another one? Okay,
Mhm.
so maybe in our daily life, yeah, in our daily life, in any kind of situation, we can be like being late or something. So can you think that of any situation where is acceptable to be late?
Okay. Some situation could be why because when there's something that we cannot predict, like accident or what something else, I can I I can accept that late because we cannot predict it. And if that person want to be late, I just want to be late. Why not? I don't like that person because that's not does not appreciate our appointment, and then I think it cannot it it cannot I cannot I cannot accept that one. But even though sometimes my friends do like that,
Uh,
but that's okay. I still appreciate I still appreciate them because they still go to the our meetings.
Even though still they're being late, yeah.
Yeah, even though they are being late, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's say one of the example. How do your friends organize their time? Or how do you organize your time? Are you making some diary or maybe like to-do list or what kind of tools, what kind of spill the way how you organize your time?
Usually, I organize my time using list to do.
Okay.
Like at this time, I have to go to the bed or pray and then go to work. And after go to work, I have to lunch and then go back to work and going home and then lunch. I mean dinner. That's good for our time management because if we don't have our list to do, that will be messy. We just follow the flow. A good that's not good person because a good person is a planner.
Okay, so good person is a planner. So that is a good closing statement. Okay, so okay, very good one. Okay, Sarita, about the last questions about time. So I think we have a lot of time, but when we have a free times, what will you do when you are having a free time?
Okay. When I have free time, I usually ask my friend to hang out with me, like in the cafe. And if my friend can to hang out with me, so I would to go to the cafe my house or her house or in the middle of our house, so that could be possible to us to go to that cafe. And in the cafe, so we just talking about our life, our update life, and also how was our life recently, and give my friend give me about advice of life, and
Give
also
what? Sorry, give what?
the
Give
advice,
oh advice. Okay.
advice about life, and also do something funny like just remember our when we were in high school, that's really funny things, because we can talk and laugh about our life. That's really recharge my energy.
Ah, very good one. Yeah. Recharge my energy. Yeah. This is a good closing statement as well. Yeah. Yeah. So that is the point. Yeah. Ask a friend for a hangout and then take for talk about our life, how's life or something, and then yeah, talk about life recently. So what do you do? What do you do for working? What do you do for living? Something like that. So what is your what kind of house life? Yeah.
It's like, yeah,
And also yeah, one of the example you can talk about advice of life. And
advice of life.
so not only advice of life, so you can also remember something funny. Yeah, funny moment. Yeah, when
Moments,
you were
yes,
in the
that
senior high
one.
school, junior high school maybe, and so that kind of activity recharge your energy. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, so so what about the last question? I would like to ask about time. Let's say when you are working, so you are going to have a lot of time in working. So what about if that kind of situation, let's say like this, so you have an off time or holiday, but maybe one situation, yeah. So your boss asks you about to help him or her in your holiday session, in holiday time. So what will you do? Are you going to help her or him, or you do not want to do that because why? Yeah, this is my holiday. I do not want to mix my holiday with my job. So what do you say? What about if that time, if that situation happened to you? You are in the holiday, but your boss asks you to do another activity.
Oh, that's good because that ever happened in my life.
And then,
uh, when I was off day, my boss asked me to go to the work, and
okay,
I just say, why I have to go work, and
okay,
yeah, I have to say why first, because
mhm,
I have to know the reason.
okay,
Okay, and my boss said because she was sick. Oh, so I just, but today is my off day. How how can I go to work in my off day? Okay, and then the boss said, oh, we you can change your off day, so you can off in like on Friday. So when the boss say like that, so oh, okay, I would go to the work, and you said you want to change my off day, so I will go to work, because I still have my I still have my what's that? I still have my off day, even though now in my off day I still go to work, but later, like in different day, I will off. So that's
okay.
still a fair.
Okay, so it is still okay for you, even yeah, if you still
So
have
actually,
off
it's not
day.
okay.
Ah, it is not okay, even though it is not okay.
Actually,
Yeah, can we say that is it in this kind of situation when you are you cannot say that I can't say no. Yeah, but you are not a person that kind of person, right? So I believe
oh,
because
but
why?
that's depend of situation.
Yeah, depend on the
Yeah.
situation.
If I have plan in my off day, so
Mhm.
I would say no. But if don't have plan, so I would say just, oh, okay.
Okay, so that is your first statement that why is first. So you ask why first.
Yeah, way
Then so what
first.
about if the situation happen like this? This is your something that you just mentioned before is your boss. So what about your friend asking you for yeah, to be in his or her class just because of she cannot make it. Yeah, just because of maybe his father is sick and he needs to go or she needs to go to the visit and then she needs to leave the class and she cannot leave the class just because of you can substitute for a teacher. So what about that situation happen to you? Are you going to help her or you just, okay, this is none of my business. So this is your business. So what would you like to do?
That also
Happen.
happened in my life.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
ah,
So I have to see my student first. Like in our class, there are the most four students. So if she want to me to help her, so I have to see my students first. If that's not possible, so I just say no, I cannot. But if that's still possible, so I can help her. So because why I want to help her, because sometimes when I will sick or whatever, so she also can help me. So that's also fair for me.
yeah, so you can help her if that
Yeah.
situation happened
But
to
the
you.
most important things
Uh,
is I have to see the situation first. If
uh,
that's still possible, I will say no, yes. If not, so no.
say no. Okay, so that's the point. You need to find out the situation first.
Yeah,
You need to
I have
find out the context. Yeah, if you can help, you can make it out. But if you cannot, yeah, you would like to say, I'm sorry because I cannot do this just because of blah 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 blah.
yeah,
Okay. Okay, so it's all about activity that happened to you. Yeah. This is all almost happened. Yeah.
almost.
So what kind of activity? I mean, what kind of reason mostly that you can find out when someone asks you for a substitution?
Like because when the person is nice to me, so I will nice to her. If the
Okay,
person not nice to me, so I will not,
I will do the same.
because I don't want to be people pleaser.
Okay, I don't want to be people pleaser. So
Yeah.
that is a good in terminology nowadays. Yeah, people pleaser. Just say yes. But on the other hand, in behind, so yeah, you got what is it? You got boo
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
something. Yeah, so that is that is always how it happened. Okay. Yeah, so that was about that kind of topic or time about time. So okay, this one. Do you get on with your neighbors?
You get on with neighbor.
It could be your neighbors, it could be your maybe your friends in the work. Yeah. So do you
Okay.
get on with your friends or neighbors?
Oh, is that itu kayak deket gitu ya, Pak?
Yeah.
Oh, do you get on with your neighbor? Call, for my neighbor, not really, because why my neighbor work and I work, and also I work, so we don't have time to like a catch up or watch something.
Okay.
Even my house near of her,
Mm-mm.
So we cannot meet every day
Every day.
because we have different time situation.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I'm not really get on with my neighbor.
Okay. So, do people in your country usually spend time socially with their neighbors?
That could happen for what's that for million not what's that for the
Jillian?
no that could happen for people that don't have to go work because
Okay.
they have a lot of time to spend together with their sociality. That's why. And for my neighbor, some of my neighbors also uh, don't go to work, so that's why like in evening they like to spend their time together, like just talking or what's that, I don't know.
Uh-uh.
So that's
Okay.
really represent in our country.
Our country. So what you're saying is jobless is having a lot of time to
Yeah.
talk with other people. Yeah. It means that, yeah, you can spend time socially, yeah, if you're jobless. But if you have a job, so you have no time to
You have
spend
time.
with the
Yeah.
neighborhoods. Yeah. So that is the true life. So that is the true situation. Yeah. That is a true story. Yeah. Even with me as well. I have a lot of activities, so that's why I have no time socially with my neighborhood. Yeah. So that's what happened. Yeah. So the last one, is it important to have a neighbor for you?
It's important to have neighbor. Of course, that's important because the first people or person who will help you is your neighbor, because your neighbor is the nearest people in your area. That's why to that's important to have neighbor. If you don't have neighbor, with who you will ask for help, or you can ask police or was that firefighter, but that's really that's take a long time to them
Uh,
to get our house. But neighbor that's really near from our house. That's why that's important to have neighbors who will help or support you.
uh,
And was that in when you have a problem or what something else.
Very good one. So even though you have you can call police, you can call someone else, but
Yeah,
neighborhood is a fast track, yeah, to help
strike,
you.
no, strike.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fast track.
So this is one of the example when you have neighbor, yeah, especially, yeah. So you need to get in touch. You need to stay in touch, keep in touch with neighbor. Just say hi, greet with someone, yeah, every morning, every when you meet at each other, yeah. So just say hi, yeah, even though there's no kind of a conversation that you're going to talk about, just say hi.
Even just smile.
Okay, yeah, smile is very simple, yeah, to greet someone. Yeah. Okay, so that is a good one about neighborhood. Yeah, topic two. Okay, so that was we have three topics for the decision. Yeah, but actually, so we just missed this. We
Oh,
just
yeah.
missed this because yeah, there is no record or something, and we can talk about another one. You know, because okay. So I think, and after this, so we are going to talk about related to education.
Education. Okay.
Okay. So this is, so we have done for this session, Asarita. So what do you say
Uh,
about this session?
oh, yes. So today is over. The time is over for today.
Yes, and then so I would like to ask you, so
Was
what do you say? What do you say about this session?
Oh, this session. Oh, this session is really fun, and also this session really challenging for me because I have to speak without any without prepare that topic because I have to say it constantly. Not constantly, or
Continuously.
continuously, and it continuously in different question and also in different topics. But that's really helped me to be a good the good speaker for furthermore for moving forward.
For moving forward. Okay, so what
Yeah.
about the question? The question is still related to your activity or what?
Oh, the for the question that's still relate to our life and also activity. That's good question, and also that's a good question that I can answer it simply. Uh, Also, I can answer it
Can answer it and you can elaborate, yeah,
and I
all
will
the
write
answer.
because that's related to our life. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So there is no, what is it?
There's no
There's no cheat.
there's
You do not need to cheat about another
yeah, I don't need to
example or
cheat.
a statement.
I
So
don't
you
need
can
to
create.
Google. Yeah. So I
Yeah,
can cheat with my own brain.
yeah, you can use your own mind to answer
Yeah, on my
all of the questions just because of everything is related to your experience, your own experience. So that is the most important thing. And yeah, so we have three topics, so that is very interesting one. Actually, I do not want to talk about only IELTS, but like this, but also if I give you one kind of story or situation, you can see, yeah, you can see for the activity. Yeah, maybe for example, have you ever seen like this, Sarita? This one. Uh, Maybe one day, yeah, one day we will talk about this. Uh,
oh
yeah, what happened about
so that's about comprehension.
it is not comprehension, it's just like the real situation, yeah, with the good questions, yeah. Uh, do you have a mean boss? Have you ever heard about this? Mean boss, it means that a boss who is always
I
mad at you, angry at you, but she can say something, what is it? Uh,
nicely.
Differently, yeah. She
Oh,
nice for you in front of the boss, but behind she's not very very good. So this is mean boss.
mean boss.
Bos yang tidak apa ya? Dia baik ke kita tapi dengan orang lain dia jelek-jelekan. Jadi mean boss. Kitanya baik tapi ke orang lain ceritain kita itu jelek-jelek. Nah, itu dia. This- So
Oh,
this is about workplace. Ya, workplace.
okay.
Tapi bisa nanti kita bahas di sesi selanjutnya. Okay, so related to this session, so we have done for this very good one. Yeah, so with these questions, yeah, with these topics, so you can answer. But I would like to give some notification for you, Sarita. So what do you say about this
Think.
thing?
Think.
Nah, so your tongue
Oh,
between upper teeth and lower teeth.
also not think,
Think.
but think.
Yes, think. Think.
Think.
I think.
Yes.
If you
Think.
still remember about phonology, so this is
Yeah, I still
the
remember.
seal. This is the
Think.
symbol. Uh,
Do you
think. I
think?
think. I think this one. Think. Okay, so we have done for this session, Sarita. For I hope that you can have a good time with this session with this topic. So that's why we can go to another topic which is related to study. Uh, so I think would you like to? look at this one. Yeah, maybe something like study. So there will be some sort of questions that we are going to talk about next week. Yeah, next week, Sarita. Yeah. So next week we will have this kind of questions and still speaking. Yeah. Your speaking is very, very, what is it, comprehensive, and you need to start, you already start with a good answer, and then you can elaborate it. So that is one of the good improvement for you.
Okay.
Okay,
And also maybe in next week there's a pronunciation section because I have to improve my pronunciation.
pronunciation. Yeah, okay. Pronunciation. How can we say about pronunciation? Okay. We would like to find out about some sort of material. Okay, Sarita, that's all
Okay.
for this session. I was wondering that you are in a good situation. So what will you do after this?
So I will lunch.
Yeah, I will have my lunch. Yeah, I will have my lunch and
I
then
will have my lunch and
and
I will take a nap.
okay. So yeah, maybe for this session that was for today. Oh yeah, maybe next week I'm going to talk to you about this. Okay, thank you, Sarita. That's all for today. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you,
your
Mr. Nick.
attention. Class dismiss and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mr. Nicole.
You,
Okay, see you next week.
see you.